So in court this past Tuesday, R. Kelly's lawyers told the judge that he has gained weight and lost money while he awaits the trial that will start early next week. Devereaux Canick, who is one of R. Kelly's lawyers, he told the judge that Kelly, whose real name is Robert Sylvester Kelly, needs to be measured for new clothing because he's gained so much weight in jail. He also asked that the court transcripts be provided at no cost because Kelly has been unable to work for the past 2 years. He told the judge that his funds are depleted. Now, the prosecuting attorneys have basically stated that they have their plans and their witnesses laid out, and that this is going to be a very long trial. The judge also said the witnesses will only be required to give their first name to the jurors, who will sit in the gallery rather than the jury box because of a reconfigured courtroom tied to the C-19 restrictions. Now, prospective jurors have already filled out questionnaires aimed at ensuring they have no biases that would affect their judgment, and they will begin answering questions next Monday. The judge in New York ruled last week that the public and the media will be banned from the courtroom after 12 news organizations asked that 6 reporters be permitted inside because watching a portion of the courtroom on monitors in 2 overflow rooms was insufficient and might not constitute an open proceeding. After R. Kelly's lawyer left the courthouse on Tuesday, he was asked if the closing of the courtroom might be grounds for appeal if his client is convicted. He did smile and say if there was a conviction that he would use every error that was made in an appeal. Now, there have been quite a few delays for this trial due to the pandemic. Kelly also faces federal charges in Chicago, and also state charges in Chicago and Minneapolis. But the first trial to get underway will be next week in New York. So stay tuned as I will cover some of the highlights from the trial next week. And as always, you guys, I thank you all for watching. Once again, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel if you have not already.